Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this car, which is a Polaris White Jaguar XK 5 litre Signature Edition, and it's on a 2014 14 plate, one of the last ones off the production line, and it's obviously, as most keen-eyed viewers will notice, it's a full final edition facelift. It's got the different lights at the front, it's got the different chrome mesh grills, the different front bumper, it's got the signature wheels on it. Now these signature editions, they got everything thrown at them, absolutely everything, because they were on the last run. And this car has been owned by us before. In fact, it was my own personal car a year or so ago. I decided to sell it from our showroom down here, and a gentleman, a Jaguar enthusiast, bought it. He does like to swap and change his cars quite a bit, so he'd had a year with it and looked after it and kept it in a car cocoon, I'm told, in his heated garage, and it's just exactly like it was when he bought it from me a year ago. So anyway, he's having a change now, so here we are, another opportunity for some lucky new owner. Right, as you can see, when I had it, I did a few upgrades. I actually shot it with 4 brand spanking new Dunlop SP Sport tyres, which are Jaguar rated tyres, and I also put the quad exhaust system on it, which looks good and it sounds fantastic, but it's not too noisy and not too intrusive. As you can see underneath, I put a new rear valance on it to accommodate the quad pipes, which was an additional cost, and I had that painted in a body colour, so it looks really good, and it looks quite unique at the back end. Of course, the facelifted cars had the rear reverse cameras, the LED lights, obviously got a boot spoiler. I put the addition of a Jaguar 5 litre badge on it because that's what it is, a 5 litre. It's not an R, it's not a supercharged car, it's a naturally aspirated car. These cars have got, I think, about either 385 or 400 horsepower. The supercharged ones have got 500, the later 5 litre cars, but these are no slouch at all. These are 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, limited to 155 mile an hour. That's more than enough for anybody, I'm sure. The gorgeous wheels, they were all powder coated when I had it a year ago, and again they're unmarked. I don't think that the last owner has done probably more than, I don't think he's done 800 miles in it, 1,000 miles, not even that. It's just been serviced before it came back to me. So it's all just been serviced, all just been checked over, all just been MOT'd. I've done an initial check over on the ramp as well, because it wasn't MOT'd by our normal MOT station, and it's absolutely fantastic. No issues, nothing to report. Now, it's in fabulous condition. It's not the usual XK with cauliflower aluminium sort of corrosion bubbles everywhere. This one's, it's in perfect condition on the body, and it's not littered with stone chips. As you can see at the front, it's fantastic. There were additional dummy vents put on the bonnet, but I think that they look really good, and they were colour coded as well. It's not trying to look like something it isn't, it's just looks really good just as it is. It's got headlight wash, front and rear parking sensors, like I said before, reverse camera. It's got auto lights, auto wipers, LED lights all round, new shape lights. And in fact, people think that they're just new lights, when in actual fact, if you look very closely, they're actually different shaped wings, different bumpers and different lights. So there was a few additional bits and pieces done to them just as they were running out. Run out last model wing vents as well, or wing louvers, tinted glass. It's got heated front screen, heated rear screen, and let's have a look in the boot. It is running, so you can hear it running. It's not loud at all, is it? It's only loud when you want it to be. Well, not really loud, it just sounds nice when you want it to sound nice, and then when you're wanting to sort of pootle about, it's fairly docile. It's been always kept on C-Tech charger. They don't have a spare wheel, don't these cars? Not even a space saver. There is room under there for a space saver, but they didn't come with a space saver, so most people use just like a, well, keep a tin of sort of tyre gel in the car. But as you can see, look, it's ticking over there, lovely, and tyres are like brand spanking new, because like I say, they were only just put on before I sold it. I'll show you underneath the bonnet, and then we'll have a look inside properly. It's absolutely beautiful inside. It is on the outside perfect, no damaged screen, no chips in the screen. The last owner, like myself, is a Jaguar enthusiast club member. He was a retired gentleman. And I didn't do more than 500 miles in it when I had it. As you can listen to that, like a sewing machine, absolutely perfect. I mean, in the last 1,000 miles, it's had 2 services, this car. It's been well wrapped up in cotton wool. When I serviced it, I put a set of brand new plugs in it, spark plugs. I checked all the strengths and the concentrations of all the fluids. I did an oil and filter changing using Castrol oil, and I replaced the air filters behind the wheel arches of the behind the front bumper. I'm not even sure if I did the brakes on it as well. I can't remember. My memory's not that good these days. But the last owner has just had it serviced, an interim service, so it's all ready to go. I put brand new wiper blades on it when I had it. Like I say, new tyres, had all the wheels refurbished. It's never wanted for anything, this car. Now, this is probably one of the nicest condition XKs in the country. It's absolutely fantastic. But they have dropped a little bit. This car was initially sold a year ago at 25 grand. That's what they were doing. We've got the car up for 19,995, and we won't take a penny less. And that has got to be worth that all day long. A car that looks as amazing as that, and is in the condition that this car is in, I mean, it's joke money, 20 grand for a car like that. I mean, you'd have to give more than that for a DB9, wouldn't you, or an Aston Martin of some description, and I don't think they look as good as these. These look all proper. That's just my opinion, I might add, if I'm a Jaguar man, but it's got adaptive suspension, it's got everything. They did sling absolutely everything at these. Right then, let's have a look inside. It's got soft grain leather at the tops of the doors with contrasting stitching, leather door cards. It's got Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is the best. Full massive electric seats adjustment. You've even got electric seat, bolsters on the seats. If you can't get these seats comfy, there's something wrong. It's got electric folding door mirrors, electric front windows. It's got the figured ebony wood in it, which I really like. Again, it's got the perforated, heated and cooled seats. You've got a front centre armrest with hidden cup holders. You've got cruise control. You've got soft leather top dash and leather centre console. Absolutely beautiful. And there's a bit of a contrast, which is gorgeous, I think. It's got the figured ebony wood in, but then you've still got the brushed aluminium air vents, and you've got a piano black centre console. So let's have a closer look. Right. Door open. Well, the last owner's been getting over 25 to the gallon. It's done 46,000 now. It's just creeped over 46,441 miles. And it looks like he has done 1,095 miles in his ownership. It's got Alcantara headliner, which is absolutely perfect. No drooping there. And it's got a brand new set of floor mats in it with a leather black edge, rubber floor mats. You've got your glove box, which is lockable. You've got your heated steering wheel, as you can see. You've got navigation. You've got DAB radio on there. You've got DAB radio.
Like cabs, buses and emergency vehicles.
You've got Bluetooth phone connectivity. Obviously got navigation and that. You've got auto lights, auto wipers. You've got a Jaguar emblem on the gear knob there, which is nice, isn't it? You've got heated front screen. I think I've already mentioned that. You've got CD stacker, as well as Bluetooth music. It's got iPod connection, USB connection. It's got all the handbooks. It's got the locking wheel nut tool. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. This soft leather dash is, absolutely unbelievable. Proper sound system in these cars as well, Bowers and Wilkins. Brilliant. And as you can hear this engine now, if I just rev it slightly, sound gorgeous, don't they? Or, like I say, it's just docile when you want it to be and not intrusive into the car. Really, really, really nice. That stainless steel exhaust system was a lot of money as well. So what have you got for your money? For 20 grand, you've got a car which is impeccable, absolutely mint. Had 2 services in the last 1,000 miles. It's had all the wheels refurbished, properly powder coated, not just canned in. It's got full MOT. It's got stainless steel exhaust system. It's got keyless entry, keyless start, keyless locking. Excuse me. You've got the looks to kill. I mean, look at that. Those haunches at the back, I don't know if you can see them properly on this camera, but what a car to look at. It's got a private plate on, so we've put our show plates on, but the private plate I think has now been removed. We do have the original plates which say 14 on them, so we'll put those on in due course. But yeah, what a fresh, gorgeous looking car. Let's open the door on this side. And it drives absolutely mint, as you would expect. So whoever buys this is getting a car that I chose for myself. Not that all my cars aren't perfect, because they are, because that's what we do. But obviously, look at that in the back. Obviously they never get sat in, do they? But yeah, look at the seats, like brand new, not creased up, damaged or anything. Like brand new in the glove box. Yeah, what a car. So the car is £19,995. What a bargain. What an absolute bargain. Put that in your garage and bring it out on nice days and take to shows and events, Jaguar enthusiast club meetings, and everybody will just absolutely they'll be all over it, because it just looks so striking and so stunning, and the condition is just out of this world. But yeah, there you go, folks. Grab this car. This is a really, really, really good opportunity. Looking at it now, if I hadn't got my XJS, I'd have probably got back into this car, because it's just absolutely perfect, just gorgeous. And the last, like I say, the guy who I sold it to a year ago has just babied it. It absolutely, what can I say, it's it's just exactly like it was. No tar splatter up these sills, no damaged wheels. Just having a real good slow walk round so you guys at home can see this. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Look at the back end there. What a car. I mean, just what a car for 20 grand. 20 grand doesn't seem to buy you nothing these days. There's plenty of these out there for 20 grand that don't look like that. In fact, to be honest, it looks 25 grand's worth all day long. It's just a bargain. It's just the way the market is at the moment with these later Jaguars. But don't forget, Jaguar don't make cars that look like that anymore. It's a true Jaguar. Yes, it's a more recent modern Jaguar, but that still says Jaguar all over it, doesn't it? Anyway, folks, the usual number is 07759 938 395. That's the sales hotline number. Give us a shout, come and see it. No test pilots, please. Serious inquiries. The car's dead right. We're just going to be very, very keen to make sure it goes to its next good home, because it has been loved and cherished all its life up to now. We want it to go to a really, really good home. Somebody who's going to garage it and love it and spend money on it as and when it needs it, you know, on maintenance and things. If you're interested, give us a ring, or you could, you know, email us if you prefer to do that on sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. And we'll look forward to your inquiries. But yeah, be quick, because I don't think this will be around for long. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.